We eject the SIM tray and the micro SD tray. We apply heat to the device to remove the battery cover. We use a suction cup to lift the back cover. We introduce a metal opening tool. Use a ultrafine plastic card to soften the adhesive. We remove the back cover. Remove the screws from the middle frame. In the description, I leave you the links of the tools and spare parts that we use. If you liked the video, don't forget the like. Thank you. Very carefully, we are going to remove the middle frame. To continue with the disassembly process, first of all, we have to remove the battery flex. Here we have the motherboard flex cable. To loosen the adhesive, we use a contact cleaner or isopropyl alcohol. Using a plastic tool, let's remove the battery. We have finished the disassembly process. We use premium red adhesive roll for mobile devices. Now we return with the assembly process. We have finished the assembly process.